Okay, so we've got our bar, we're back. So hey, we're back. So I've got the bar reconfigured with another drop. So we got another inch here for a drop, so we should be okay on the front of this. So we're gonna give this a shot. You see how we got the slight pitch down? That's fine, because we're trying to transfer probably quite a bit of tongue weight on this Tahoe. So we wanna make sure we got the most downward pitch as we can, so this thing is nice and level, the whole assembly, when it's all hitched up and ready to go and the weight distribution is applied. So I know we've talked about this before, but I'm going to show you again. It's multi-purpose spray. This stuff is great. It doesn't leave like any residue. It doesn't leave a mess like grease does. But you can just spray this on there, spray a little bit in the opening right there. Every time you hitch up, you can even do like your little over-center latches too. Just make sure they're nice and pliable. Keep them that way. Yeah. So anyhow, I thought I would show you that too. And we're going to have Wes back this guy up. So Wes, if you want to, go ahead. I'm assuming this isn't going to probably go perfect in there. Let's see if it does. Well, we'll get in there one way or another. Oh, okay, we're going to stop right there. So see how it's like bottomed out right there? So it's still no big deal. No big deal at all. In fact, what we're going to do is we're just going to change the pitch of this main upward a little bit like this. That means we're going to lower these jacks to change this pitch upward, all right? Let me grab my gun here. I usually put my foot down on the jack. It's a little bit easier sometimes. Just lower them a little bit there on each side. See how it's starting to go in already? Now don't be afraid to literally take this over center latch, shake it around a bit. Look at that. See how it goes in? Just like that. So now I'm going to have Wes come back just a little bit more. See? Just like that. Right here, we're not all the way in, but we can take this over center latch just like this, put it on there. See how it's like this? Watch this. So literally take this guy, you want to get on the camera right here, see how it snugs it in just like that. Check that out. Whoop, sorry, I didn't get this on the right angle. I didn't want to hit his bumper. So just like that, just like that. This side's the same way. It's gonna go right on just like that. We're hooked up, man. Just like that. Hooked up. So I'm gonna get the linch pins on here. We're gonna lower this guy back down and see if we can get this thing weight distributed.